We have a chapter named some applications of trigonometry. We will have some questions based on trigonometry. Before that, let's understand meaning of this, and this, and this. Okay. It's a line of a side. First, here, horizontal line. Do you know what is vertical? This is vertical, and this is horizontal. This is horizontal. Okay. Line of a side. If let's say this is a this is a object. This is a woman. Okay. Now, line of the side is what? Just a hypotenuse line. So here is what? A roof of a building. A roof of a building. Here is what? A roof of a building. Okay. This is roof. This is roof. Okay. Here this is my. Now we understood this is horizontal, and this is vertical. This is a line which is a vertical. Line of a side. Line of a side is what? Line of a side. It will depend on angle of elevation, on angle of depression. If line of a side is above the horizontal, this is what? Horizontal. So a line which is above the horizontal, so this is line which is above the horizontal, so this line will be considered as line second. uh, Line of a side. It is saying here observer is watching, here observer is looking at the roof, so that's why side. So this is a line, but this is a line of a side. So this observer who is a person. So person is watching at the roof. So this is a line draw, and here this line will tell that somebody is watching to this direction, So this is a straight. So it is a line of a side. Now this is horizontal. This is a vertical. Clear? Now, angle of elevation. If angle, we are talking about angle. So if there is horizontal, if a line of a side is above the horizontal, then here will be what? Angle of elevation. When question says there is an angle of elevation, then you have to be clear that yes, there is a horizontal, and above the horizontal is a what? Line of a side. Then here we'll make what? Angle of elevation. Now, what about angle of depression? Now, it is saying a line of a side, which is downward to the horizontal, So line of side, line of side, line of a side. So here, this is a line of a side, but it is downward to the horizontal line. Now, when it comes to angle of depression, then you have to be clear. This angle is what? Angle of depression, which is making below the horizontal. So angle which will make below the horizontal, and a angle which this is making below the horizontal is what? Depression of angle of depression. A angle which is making above the horizontal with the line of a side will be what? Elevation of angle of elevation. So we have a first question. Based on some application of a trigonometry. So can you make a diagram from this question? Look, look. So here meaning of this line is what observer is watching this here. Okay. Now a vertical pole stands. There is a vertical pole. This is a vertical pole. Pole. Okay, pole stands on a level ground. So this is a what ground. So this is a pole stand which is on a ground level from a point on the ground. So here this is a one point and it is going to the pole. 25 meter away from the foot of the pole. So from a point to the foot of the pole is how much? 25 meter. Is a 25 meter. So 25 meter away from the foot of the pole. The angle of elevation. Now here you can see the angle of elevation. So you have to, so here ahead of its top is found what 60 60 60 60 how much 60. So it is saying this is making 60 degree, this is making what 60 degree. O A B. Okay, here remember this is a height. Let's say this is a height of a pole. This is a height of pole. Now the angle of elevation. So this will be angle of elevation. Okay, this is angle of elevation. So here let's say there is a one object, and here object is watching to top of the what pole. So here OB is given which is a 25. AB is what is just a height. AB is just a height. Find the height of the pole. So we are going to find this height. So we will apply trigonometric ratios. You have to identify which trigonometric ratios should be applied here. So by understanding question, you will able to apply a trigonometric ratio. Here, this is theta. According to theta, this is a perpendicular and this is a base. According to theta, we know that it will be depend how to find the perpendicular, how to find the baseline. So it will depend on theta. If theta is here, then in front of this theta is what perpendicular side. So this is a perpendicular. Now this is it. So here P upon B is a ratio of tan. So can we write tan 60 is what P H upon 25. Tan 60 as you know root 3 H 25. So 25 under root 3 H. So height of the pole is what 25 under root 3. This is answer. This is what is answer. Clear? So we have done a question based on this, as you can see. Now next question. Next question is that this is question. It is saying a ladder. You have a ladder, okay? Let's just say this is a ladder. Now, 50-meter long. The height of the ladder is a 50 meter. 50 meter. Reaches the top of the vertical wall. Top of the vertical of the wall. So you have a ladder which touches the top of the vertical wall. You have what a wall which is vertical. You have a ladder. You have a ladder, and measure of this is 15 meters. So here, if the ladder makes a angle of 60 degree with the wall, this is the same. So this is correct. And here, a ladder with the wall. So this is not wall, this is ground. So it is making 60 degree. This is making 60 degree. We don't know this, okay? We don't know this, even we don't know this, measure of this. We can draw separate figure from this figure. So this is making 60 degree, this is 50 meter, this is O, this is A, this is B. We don't know what is this, what is this. So here find the height of the wall. We have to find this height of the wall. Height of the wall. So here, this is hypotenuse. We have a right angle triangle. We have a right angle triangle. As you know that this is making 90 degree. If this is making 90 degree, so this will make 30 degree. But this was not our point. This was just understanding. So 50 meter, and we have to find this. Question is saying find the height of the wall. So 50. So here, according to this theta, so here this is perpendicular, this is a base. So base. So can you tell me? Cos 60 degree. So h upon 15. What is this? B upon h. P upon h is a ratio of sine. So here cos 60 degree is what? B upon h. So here this is what? 1 by 2, I think. 1 by 2. I think so, 1 by 2. H 15. So here this 15 is here and 2h. So can we say that this is h? H is what? 0. Of course, this is correct. So finally, the height of you can write the height of the wall is 7.5 meter. So this is a 7.5 meter. Okay, that's how you will find. So here we did what we have drawn. We have drawn from this question. We converted this statement into figure. Then we converted this into mathematics way. So here we know that according to this is a perpendicular, this is base. We have given value of a base side, so which is 7.5. Now we have what b upon h, otherwise h upon b. So here you will have what sec theta or cos theta. Okay, even you put sec theta, you will get same value. You will get same value. So after substituting value of this in place of b in place of h, then we simplify and we got h as a 7.5, which is height of the wall. Now we have next question. You have this figure from this question. Isha is saying the shadow of a tower. Of a tower. This is a tower. Tower doesn't look like this, not like this, not like this. Tower looks straight. So the shadow of a tower, when the angle of elevation of the sun is 45, So this is angle of elevation of the sun, which is 45. If we put here 45, then it will not be elevation of angle of elevation. Okay. So here we are talking about angle of elevation. That's why angle of elevation of the sun would be here. Now It is a 45 is found to be 10 meters longer than when the angle of elevation is 60. So here is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is how much? 60. So from here to till this angle is how much? 10 meter. Now find the height of the tower. So we have to find this. We don't know measure of this. Measure of CA. We have a two triangle. What? Two triangle. One is BAD and second is what? Second is ABC. ABC. We have two triangles. How much? Two triangles. From second triangle. So here, according to this theta, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. So H upon P upon B. So tan 60 P upon B. P is H and B is how much? X. So can we classify it? Tan 60. I think it would be root 3. It should be root 3. Root 3. I think so. What do you think? Yes. And then here H will be as it, X as it. So here H is what? X root 3. Clear? We have found not exact. We have found the value of H, value of this from this angle. From this angle. Now next from one triangle. So here we have a tan 45 H as it, and base is what? 10 plus X. This is 1. So here we directly can say H is what? 10 plus X. Okay, H is what? 10 plus X. So H's will get cancelled out. We have what? X root 3 10 plus X. Okay. So here can we shift this X this side? Because of this we are getting same X variable in this side. So this side will be what? Minus X is equal to 10. X can be taken as a common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 10. So finally we have got what? X is equal to 10 upon root 3 minus 1. So here if any number which is in under root in place of denominator, we will rationalize. We will do what? Rationalization, as you know. So here 10 root 3 minus 1. We do rationalization so that we can remove under root in place of under root of number in place of denominator. So root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So 10 root 3 plus 10. This will be 3 and this will be what? 1. So here tan root 3 plus 1. 2 5s are 10. So finally we got 5 into under root 3 or under root of 3 plus 1. This is what? X. This is X. This is X. So here this is X, which is 5 root 3 plus 1. Now we have to find height of the what? Height of the tower. So for height of the tower, we will put this value in this. Even we can put this value in this. It's your choice. it's your choice. So let's put what uh, x. So here 5 under root 3 plus 1 into root 3. We have what? 10 plus 5 root 3 plus 1. So here here is h 5 under root 3 plus 1 into root 3. This is what we have. And we will multiply this with this. We will get this is what we will. So here 5 has it, 5 3s are 15 plus 5 1s are 5 and root 3 as it. So finally we have this answer. We have this answer. Even you can take 5 as a common. Next question, just have a look. we have this figure. We have this figure. From understanding of this figure, we can solve whatever is the question saying to solve. A tower, which is height is which height is a tower, which is a tower looks in a straight line. So a tower is a 50-meter height. So from this figure you can see this is a tower. This will not be tower. This will not be tower. So its shadow is x meter. So shadow of this tower is how much? This x meter. X meter shorter when the sun's altitude is 45. So from here to till here is x shorter. Okay. Now then when it's when it is 30, so from here to till here is x. Find the value of x. Value of x. But this will not be 50. This should not be 50. So yes, this is a 50 you are given. Now you can say AP is a 50. Even can you find from triangle QAP, from triangle QAP? You have given what according to this. So here tan 45 P upon H. So P is a 50. This is what AP. So of course AP will be 50. So we have found this 50. Okay. Now we have to find the value of this x, which is a shadow of a tower. So here from here can we find can we use tan 30 50 upon x plus 50 from triangle QBP. So here tan 30 degree. Okay. So here 50 upon x plus 50. X plus 50. So 30 is 1 upon root 3. 50 as it x plus 50. We have this equation which is linear. We will do cross multiply. X plus 50 is equal to 50 under root of 3. Under root of 3. We have this. Can we write this 50 under root 3 minus 50? Minus 50. We will take 50 as a common. Root 3 minus 1. This is what we have. So x is what 50 root 3 minus 1. You can check. So answer is correct. Now next question. You have this question. You have this question. So it is saying you have this given figure from this question. Two ships, there are two ships. This is C is one and D is another one. We have two ships and both ships are approaching the light from the lamp from the lighthouse. So this AB is a lighthouse. Okay. So two ships are approaching a lighthouse from opposite directions. This direction from this opposite direction to each other. The angles of depression. So of course we will draw here the angles of depression of the two ships from the top of a light are 30 and 45. One is a 30, second is a 45. If the distance between the two ships is 100, so from here to till here is how much? 100. So we have given what 100 meter from this to this 100 meter. So one we will take as a x, and second we will subtract from 100, x from 100, x from 100. Find the height of the light. We have to find this. So how to find? First of all, we have a corresponding angle. If this is 30, so this will be 30 because of corresponding angle. Okay. If this is a 40, so this will be 45. Here, this side will be something else, not 45. So this will be what? 180 minus 45. So I think it should be 135. 135. So that's how uh, alternative interior angles work. Corresponding angles work into picture. So here we have a triangle BCA, BCA, and second is ABD, ABD. Can we say so here tan 30 from triangle ABC, from triangle ABC tan 30 is what? H upon x, h upon x, tan 30 which is 1 under root 3. So here h is nothing else, x as it. So it will be what? X upon root 3. This is h. This is what is h. Now something else. From triangle BDA, from triangle BDA, we have this and this. So according to this, this is a perpendicular, this is a base. So can we write tan 45 h upon 100 minus x. So h will be 100 minus x. This will cut, this will cut. We will get what? X. We will get x. So here x upon root 3 is equal to 100 minus x. 100 minus x. We can shift this side. So it will be what? X plus x is equal to 100 root 3. Isn't it? 2x. 100 root 3. So here we have finally 50 root 3. So this is 50 root 3. 50 root 3. Okay. This is 50 root 3. Now we will put this value in this. so that we can get this value. We will put this value in this so that we can get this. H is equal to 100 minus 50 upon root 3. So here we have what 50. 50 minus root 3. Okay. What else? Nothing. That's it. This is the height of this lighthouse. So here we will put with this H. This is H. So H came. If we put this here, so what will come? 50 root 3 upon root 3 H. So only 50. Here this is what X. H upon X. H upon X. Can we write X H? X is equal to what? H root 3. Yes. And we can write this. So H is equal to, and here H is equal to 100 minus X. So here X will be H minus 100 is equal to minus. So this will be H plus 100 is equal to X. So this is what we have got h is equal to 100 minus x. We will put what here we have h root 3 plus 100 minus x. 100 minus x. What is happening if I put this minus 100 and this is minus x, this is minus x, can I write this like that? I have 100 minus h, 100 minus h. No, h root 3 plus h is equal to 100. We have h plus 1 is equal to 100. What else? 100 upon root 3 plus 1. From here we will do rationalization. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. From here we can get 100 root 3 minus 100 upon 3 minus 1. So 100 root 3 minus 1 upon 2, 50. 50 root 3 minus 1 is the height of this tower. We will put this in this. Root 3 minus 1. Tell this is answer. 50 root 3 minus 1. This is answer, final answer. I am putting value of h in this. So here I am getting what? 3 3 is 9, 150 minus 1. So here x is what? 149 root 3 minus root 3. 150 minus root 3. This is x. So here AD 100 minus 150 minus root 3. What will happen? We will get minus 50 minus root 3. Root 3 plus 50. So I think so minus 50. 100 minus 150. 150 minus root 3. So this is the final answer. understand this question. It is saying a tree which breaks a half part, you can say half part. This was a tree, complete tree in straight line, but after coming the storm, this bended into from this and it fall down like that. It fall down as such that it made what a triangle. Due to storm and the broken part bends so that this top touches the ground by making a 30-degree angle with the ground. Of the tree touches the ground by making an angle 30 with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 9 meter. Okay, find the height of the tree. So not this height, complete from this original height. So we will add this and this. We will add this and this. So does it seem easy or not? Question was something else from the previous, but after understanding it, I think so it made you are feeling that it is easy. So here, first of all, we will find this side. So can we write tan 30 according to this data x upon 9. So tan 30, I think 1 upon root 3 upon x. So here this will go this side, 9 upon root 3. This is x. So this is the height of from this to this. Now what else? What else? We will find this, then we will add both. So here we have what b upon p. So cos 30 b upon p, 9 upon what, y, you can say y. So 30 root 3 by 2 upon 9 upon 2. From here you are getting what, root 3 y 18. Can you write y is equal to 18 upon root 3 upon root 3. Even you can rationalize how x is equal to from this. So x is equal to what, 9 upon root 3 multiple root 3 multiple root 3. 3 root 3 3 3 is 9, 3 root 3. From this we are doing rationalization. So y is equal to 18 upon root 3 multiple root 3 upon root 3. So 18 root 3 3 3 6 are 18. So 6 under root of 3 under root of 3. Now what else? We will add x plus y. We will get what? So to find AB, we will add x plus y. We will get original height of the tree. So AB, x is 3 root 3 plus 6 root 3. We have what, 18 root 3. 18 root 3. So finally we can say from here to till here is what, 18 root 3. 18 root 3. That is how answer will come. How much 18 root 3? So this is a correct answer. So here is we have addition. So this will be 9. This will be 9. So finally, this is our answer.